Hi everyone, welcome. I have a book flip for you. This is Nature Mandalas. This is the artist because if I try to say her name, I will butcher it in so many different ways. I will call her Mel. This is Mel's second book. If you are new, this is Circle of Life is her first one, and I really like Circle of Life. I was a little hesitant on getting the nature mandalas because I am not a mandala person. So I did wait for it to come out in Walmart instead of buying it like off Amazon or anything so that I could look and make sure it was something I would actually color. Sometimes I get a little into my full set syndrome with books and I buy books because I want all of them instead of taking the time to consider if I would color it, and I'm trying to get better at that. So this one, color Circle of Life, was double-sided. And I was very excited to see that Nature Mandalas, the first couple pages here are double-sided. So you have illustrated, colored by Thunder Bay Press, copyright 2022, and then it goes single-sided. So that is very exciting to me. That opens up lots of opportunities. This paper is great multimedia paper. So that opens up markers and watercolors and ink tints and things like that that double-sided images aren't the best for. I do adore Circle of Life, though I have done a few pages in that one. The other reason I hesitated with this book is because the mandala. I am not a mandala person. The repeating patterns get to me and drive me crazy, and I get bored and I don't finish them. But I looked through this and there was enough, I felt like, variety in the pattern that it wasn't something that was necessarily like a mandala I'm used to. So I figured I could give it a try. So even if I don't color all of them, like this one I could do. This is like a mirror image to me. That one wouldn't be so bad. This one might be pushing it a little. But I think it's alright. I do like that they aren't microscopic details. Like, they're fairly good size. There are a couple small spots, but this is pretty. Bugs. This one would be fun. I think the trick to these, if you're like me and not into the repetitiveness, is switch the colors up. I think that kind of helps. I know that's part of my trouble sometimes, I think, is using the same colors for too long. I'm like, okay, ready to switch. This one's fun. It's like an Australian one. Underwater. Now, like, these little itty bitty things might get to me because it's like a lot of little squiggles and things, but there are plenty of good sized things in here that I think there's enough pages in here for me to make it worth the buy. Pages are sticking together. Fresh off the shelf here. Another water one, lobsters. Interesting one. Of course, if you know me, here is one of my favorites. I love bees and honeycombs. I'm unsure on how I want to do this one. I want to stick to the traditional yellows. This one is all fairly large. I don't know if I could do that many flowers, but like this desert feel one. This one should be like turquoise and coral colors to me. But that's just me. So there's lots of hidden animals in here. You've got, sorry, little one bumped. Bears and deer and eggs hidden. There's a hummingbird, butterflies. Oh, there's fish in there even. I'm sure there's more if you look a little closer. I like this one. The fruit really appealed to me. Now, I don't know about some of these. I would have to look up and see what they are, but the grapes are beautiful. This one also. This one will be a great autumn one. A fall harvest. If you're into that kind of thing. Oops. Another one that kind of would be pretty in fall colors with like the dark red mushrooms and orange leaves. This one is a lot. This makes me want to do fire, but I feel like making the trees fire would be kind of sad. It's like forest fire feel. Lots of mushrooms in that one. Here's a fun one that's not too bad. Cute, simple little flowers. Penguins. This would be fun in like turquoise, light turquoise and Arctic blues. There's a narwhal. Pears and pine cones. This is neat. This would be a fun kind of night themed one. Raccoons and the bats. I don't know if all snakes come out at night, but another mirror image type one where it's like the same image flipped. This would be fun to do like orange out to yellow or yellow out to orange and give it that safari feel. Cactus. I can't wait to start seeing some of these done. I know I've seen a few, but now that it's out everywhere, I feel like there'll be some beautiful images coming to inspire. This one would be a fun, like dusty rose type page. Horses. These would be fun to do the etching technique on. Take the knife and etch in the fur and then put your color down so it leaves that fur texture. That one is a lot. This is cute. Going a little slow. There's a lot to take in on some of these pages. This little cute little squid, jellyfish, whale. I don't love all of them, but maybe as I see them colored, some of them will grow on me. If I had to choose between the two, I would still choose Circle of Life. That is personal preference. I like the scenes in the circles more than... I like these though. These are fun to me. This would be a fun one for winter. Each little background a different color and do dark blue. But as I see different styles and techniques and approaches, I'm sure they will grow on me more. They are all beautiful, that's for sure. So follow her on Instagram at Muni's Art. There's a picture of her and a little bit about her. And that is my flip of nature mandalas. Questions, comments, let me know. I will look this up on Amazon and link it if I can find it. And I thank you for watching.